नमस्ते बिटियाओं, सदा खुश रहिए। दिस इज़ JVN ब्रिजेश कुमार यादव, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed ZBC second sem botany paper. Paper name is Diversity of Cryptogams, and students, you might be knowing that we were discussing Pteridophyta. In Pteridophyta, so far we have studied some of the genera which are included in your syllabus, like Lycopodium, Coleotum, Equisetum. Today we are going to study another genus, that is Marsilia. Okay, so let's start. Marsilia is commonly known as water fern. Students, again I am emphasizing that here another term, water fern, which is most important, and I have multiple times told you that try to remember all those common names of particular genus, because most of the examination frequently used to ask such type of questions. So here Marsilia is known as water fern, but students, I would like to tell you that not only Marsilia, two other genera of Pteridophyta also known as water fern, that is, another is Salvinia, which is not in your syllabus. Another is Azolla. You might be knowing very well, this is biofertilizer. That is not in your syllabus, I think. In your syllabus, out of these three, only Marsilia is there. Okay. So all these genera, Marsilia, Azolla and Salvinia, all of them are commonly known as water fern. So don't get confused if they are asking what is the water fern and in your options Marsilia is not there, then if they had provided Azolla or Salvinia, you can opt them. Okay. So please keep in your mind, Marsilia belongs to Pteridophyta. Okay. It is a lower vascular plant. Number of species 63 discovered so far all over the world. Out of them 53 are living and rest of them are fossils. Systematic position, kingdom Plantae, you all know, division Pteridophyta, class Pteridophyta, order Salviniales. This is the Salvinia. In that Salviniales, three genera are there: Salvinia, Marsilia and Azolla. But out of these three, in your syllabus only Marsilia, so we'll focus on that. Family is Marsiliaceae and genus is Marsilia. Now something about occurrence. We have already discussed aquatic or semi-aquatic plant. That's why they are called as water fern. Their habitat is water. It is common in temperate region. It grows in freshwater pond, beaches. Some of the important species of Marsilia are Quadrifolia, Marsilia minuta. Now something about morphology. As you all know that being a Pteridophyta, main plant body is sporophyte of this Salvinia, and this whole plant body is differentiated into root, rhizome and leaves. A minute, delicate stem is there, that is known as petiole. Okay, you can see these structures, that there is a stolon type stem that is transferred to the ground, roots are there, and erect petiole that ended with leaves, and these are the compound kind of leaves. Leaflets are there, and young leaves are there, circinate leaves are there. So these are the morphology of Salvinia. An unique feature of Salvinia is their reproductive body is known as sporocarp, unlike to Equisetum where you found scrobila. Okay, cones or scrobila are not present over here. Actually, in aquatic species, sporocarp is the reproductive body. You will find same structure, sporocarp, in Salvinia, Azolla also. Okay, so you can remember them, but in your syllabus only Marsilia, so we'll focus on Marsilia only. Now about anatomy of Marsilia structures. First, root is there. Since you know that they are aquatic, so they have to float in the water. For that purpose, there is an anatomical adaptation in the roots of Marsilia. Just below the epidermis, their epidermis is double layered, which is unique feature. You have found in Equisetum epidermis is single layered, but here epidermis is double layered, and below that there is a vacant space, that outer cortex get converted into parenchyma. In these spaces air are filled so that it can provide buoyancy to the roots for the floating on the water. Okay, so this is another kind of adaptation to aquatic environment. Now about reproduction. For reproduction, here Marsilia is heterosporous. Extremely sorry. Homosporous was that Equisetum. Most of the species in higher pteridophytes you will find they are heterosporous. Means they have two different types of spores. One is megaspores, another is microspores. Okay, so what are these two? Let's have a look. Microspores are developed in microsporangia, whereas megaspores develop into megasporangia. Okay, and these structures are found in special structure, that is food body, known as sporocarp. Okay, sporocarps are attached to the petiole of the salt stalk, that is peduncle. I have shown you in morphology slide that sporocarps are attached to petiole, and sporocarps are bean shaped. It has hard and stony walls. The sporocarps has two inner chambers, and each chamber has a row of surae, and these surae are filled with spores depending on microspores or megaspores. Okay, this is the structure of sporocarp. It has microsporangia, megasporangia, indusium. Indusium is the structure which help to liberate spores. Okay. Now development of male gametophyte. For male gametophyte, microspores develop into male gametophyte. Okay. The largest cell divide into two enthesial initials, and inside the enthesial initials, androgonial initial cells are there, which develop into androcytes, and further after metamorphosis androcytes develop into antherozoids, and these antherozoids have unique structure, that is coiled and single flagellate. Okay. Now female gametophyte, megaspore divide into two cells that develop into female gametophyte. In female gametophyte there is a archegonian cells are there. In the central cells there is a base, and in base that egg cells are there. Okay. This is the egg cell which has to fertilize with antherozoids by the process of fertilization, and you all know for fertilization water is crucial requirement. After fertilization it develop into zygote, that zygote develop into sporophytes. That is the 2N structure of this genus. Now this is the life cycle of Marsilea, that is also alternation of generation, where you can see the whole life cycle is divided into two phases. One is sporophytic, that is 2N, 2X, another is gametophytic. The main plant body which we have seen, that is sporophytic, means 2N, and it has all those parts, leaflets, rhizoids, rhizomes, and sporocarps. Sporocarps has megasporangium and microsporangium, which develop into megaspores and microspores. These microspores develop into male gametophyte and female gametophyte, which formed male and female gametes, and both of these gametes get fertilized. Now after fertilization the phase has been changed, that is 2N. Now this 2N structure develop into embryo, and sporophytic plant body will develop. So this is the schematic representation of life cycle of Marsilea, and in the life cycle of Marsilea, gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase come after alternation. So this is the alternation of generation of Marsilea. So students, in this way we have seen and we have studied the Marsilea. On next term we will study another new topic. Thank you very much.